slow here because I'm holding the camera. It's pretty bumpy, so I probably won't record too long here, but I got I don't know how much longer, probably another half hour or so to go yet tonight. I meant to show you guys the roller and stuff. Alright, I'm just going to stop a second because I don't want to make everybody dizzy. I meant to show everybody the roller and the machine. I'm in the skid steer here and the roller's out there. You can kind of see the top of it, ish, maybe. No? I'm tired. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. So, anyway, I was going to do that when it was daylight out, and I just wanted to get started, and then I was going to stop, and one thing led to another, and I just kept going, and here we are. So yeah, getting it rolled. The bugs are out. There's some lightning bugs and stuff out there too. So anyway, I'm going to keep this kind of a short video here. If I remember, I will stop when I'm done, and I'll try and show you the roller tonight yet when I get out of the machine. So stay tuned for that. Alright, I'm braving all the bugs just because I love you guys. Here we go. Best we can do. Here's the roller. Oh man, that glare sucks. There, is that better? I don't know, sorry. One of these days I'll have to show you in the light, I guess. It's actually a 3-point hitch roller, but I have an adapter plate to make it skid steer, so it could go on the back of the tractor. It does have a plug on it down here. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. But you can fill it with water. It's got 2 stands on it, one here, one there, so when you unhook it, made in the USA. So there we go. Oh, my battery light's blinking. That's all right. I'm tired and I want to go anyway. So as much as you can see me, thanks for watching. Just a quick little video. The only reason I made it really is, you know, it's just part of farming. You're out here, it's after 10 o'clock at night, and it's just the way it is, you know. So I just kind of showing that little aspect as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.